Hello, my name's Kurt, and today we're going to go and demonstrate how to install Python package manager called PiP. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to upgrade or update our packages on our system here. I'm using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So there I'm doing a sudo apt update, trying to figure out my password. And finally did it. Then after this, we're going to do a sudo update upgrade and upgrade our system if there is any. See here, I'm going to do a package list, see what's going to be upgraded. You can see there is a couple things are going to be upgraded. So next, we're going to do a sudo apt upgrade and do your password and then type in yes. And we're going to let this go. And then while we're waiting for this, I'm going to go ahead and speed this portion of the video up. All right, so now we are done with the upgrade. And now we're going to go ahead and install Python's package manager called PiP, which you'll see here. I'll be using the command sudo apt install Python 3 PiP. And then I will speed that up because this is quite a big package. I think it's 200 and some odd megabytes, which you'll see here in a second or two. So let me go ahead and get that sped up for you. Alright, so the install of the PiP manager application is done, and now I'm going to attempt to install a package that it is used to work with Excel files. Open PyXL it's called, and when I go to install it here, I'm going to use pip install and then the package name, but it's going to fail, and you'll see a message pop up on the screen, and then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to use apt install Python 3 dash pip and then the package name, which then successfully installs the package. All right, so here I'm going to get ready to use the command sudo app install python 3-open pyxl. Hit enter. Then it's going to be installed. And then I will show you a way you can see the list of your packages or Python packages you installed via PiP. So that's coming up right after this is finished. So just hang on a minute and then we'll get to that command also. So I'm going to go ahead and type PiP list, and that will list out all the packages installed for the Python version that I'm running. And you'll see when I scroll up a little bit, you'll see the open pyxl there that we just installed. So with that, I hope everyone has a healthy and wonderful day. We'll see you on the next video.